Hello everyone, good afternoon. So in this time I will share my talk about some article that is named titled Intercultural Romantic Relationship. So I recently read this article and overall I thought it brought up a lot interesting point. It talked about how attraction works across culture, how people are drawn to each other because of look similarities, being around each other loud, that kind of a thing. It also dives into how different cultures handle love, family expectation, and conflict. Honestly, I agreed with most of that. Relationships across culture really are more complex, and the article did a decent job explaining why about it. But there's one part I personally did agree with, and I just wanna share my honest opinion. The way the article talked about LGBTQ relationship. Now, I want to be super clear. I'm not trying to spread hate or disrespect anyone personally. I believe in treating everyone kindly, but at the same time, I also think it's important to be honest about what we believe. And for me, I don't agree with how the article seemed to treat a same-gender romantic relationship as if they are exactly the same as traditional one, like it's just another type of love with no differences. From where I stand, based on my personal, cultural, and religious values, I believe that romantic relationships are meant to be between a man and a woman. That's not just a random opinion. It's how I was raised. It's what I believe is natural, and it's the foundation for things like family, marriage, and raising kids in many parts of the world. So when I see LGBTQ relationship being normalized in the same way, I honestly feel uncomfortable. It's not that I'm wishing harm or rejection on anyone. Far from it. I know that everyone has their struggle and that people deserve compassion. But I do believe there's a difference between showing respect to someone as a person and agreeing with or promoting every lifestyle. And I think that's something the article kind of skip over. It just assumes that all types of relationships are equal, that should be accepted the same way by everyone, but that's not reality for a lot of people. Also, I noticed the article barely acknowledged that many cultures around the world still don't agree with LGBTQ relationship, and not necessarily out of hate. For many, it's about holding onto values that they believe are right. For example, in my community, traditional relationships are seen as something sacred. So when LGBTQ lifestyles are presented as normal or just another version of love, it clashes with our beliefs. I wish the article had at least admitted that this is still a major debate in the world today. Instead, it felt like it was trying to be politically correct without room for any other point of view. I think we can talk about LGBTQ experience and still make space for people who respectfully disagree based on their conviction. To wrap this up, yes, I disagree with that part of the article. I don't think LGBTQ relationships should be treated as the same as traditional one, and I don't believe they should be promoted as the new normal. I respect people as human beings, but I also believe in the right to stand happy by my values without being called helpful for it. That's my honest take. Thanks for listening everyone, and good afternoon.